Hello everyone. Whether we believe it or not, or we like it or not, but we generally understand that career counseling is just another way of giving advices. So in this video, I will break certain myths where you will understand what is the basic difference between a career advisor and a career consultant. So we all go for a career coach or a career counselor or a career consultant in our lives. Basically, the parents who have their children who want to pursue further education or are looking for any kind of piece of advice to enhance the career graph of their child. So the first thing where a parent believe is that career counseling is a normal process or a regular process which anyone can do. But let me tell you that if you are a career counselor, you have to undergo certain process, and what that process involves I will discuss in this video. So the first and the most important point which I would like to discuss is that most of us think that career counseling is mere wastage of time. So let me tell you, the whole process of career counseling is a very time consuming process. Why it is a time consuming process? It is because it involves certain phases where a counselor sits with a candidate or a student or a child and assess all the abilities and capabilities and then give the suggestion. So what happens in this process? It is that it is a process where the first is the consultation, the second is the assessment, the third is the analysis, then the evaluation, and then the solution. So when you are going to a career counselor, if the career counselor goes through this entire process, then you can understand that yes, you are in the right hands, or you have sent your child or your ward to right hands so that they can give suggestion to your child or the student according to their capabilities, according to their interest, and according to their previous performances in academic area or in their personal lives. The other fact is that I usually hear this very much, that career counselors are just career consultants. Here I am not saying, or not placing career consultants in a bad zone or in a negative zone, or I'm not here to showcase that consultants are in a negative direction. My only concern in this video is to put forward the facts where you need to understand what a counselor does and what a consultant does. So the second basic point is that every parent thinks that they are going to the agencies or the firms or the consultancies to meet the consultants. It's not the counselor. So let me tell you one thing, this counseling process is a very serious process, and in India it is seriously required, as because now parents are getting aware like to sit with the counselors and discuss the students' career ahead or their life ahead or their problems ahead, so that the child can enhance and make their future in a better way. So let me give you one fact is that you will find out through Google. If you Google it down, then you can come with the fact that India needs 1.4 million counselors to maintain globally accepted student counselor ratio. So India is a country where there is if you compare with other countries, we have a load of population where the student population is more in number. So if we see in that ratio, then we need more career counselors. And here 350 million students, according to the report which I have with me, is that this is a huge number, and it is increasing day by day. Let me tell you that it's not only stopped with this 350 million students, and counselor has his or her own space of counseling the students. So whenever you are visiting a counselor, just be patient and just try to understand what the counselor is doing. If it is taking time, or if the counselor is suggesting something, take it very seriously, because let me tell you, the counselors are certified counselors. the certified counselors and what is the importance, or how can you find this out, I will unfold in the other points which I am going to the third important point is that people think that all counselors are same. Now let me ask you, what is this same thing? So how does it how you generalize what a consultant and a counselor does in a same way? So people have this misconception that if you go to a counselor or a consultant, both of them will give you the same advices, or they will just suggest you colleges. But let me tell you, as I have told you in my first point, that this career counseling is a way long process, where a student has to give their 1 or 2 hours, or probably more than that. And there are phases, like if you go to a counselor and you have a query like, I want to place my child in a good college or a good school, or these are the points where my child is not able to work on properly. So this counselor will just not start by suggesting colleges to you, or will not start suggesting courses, or rather a certified counselor will first try to understand the academic background of the child and the home background of a child, how he is with the family and how he is with the academics. So there will be stream selection, there will be course selection, then there will be aptitude test, and nowadays which we are aware of, that is the psychometric test, where there is an analysis of the attributes and the behavioral concepts of a child, and then 1,000 other things are there. So remove that notion that the consultant and the counselor suggest the same thing to a student. Most of the parents think that there is no need of counseling when a child excel in their studies. They just directly put the student into a stream or into a career oriented course, and they get admitted into a college. But let me tell you, now in every college in India or in schools also, that we have a career counseling cell. Why is that required? Because the mental ability or the emotional ability of a child matters most while they are deciding about their future. So nowadays what it is happening is that many of the schools and many of the colleges are hiring counselors. So these are counselors, not consultants. Okay, so you need to understand that why in this coming days, or growing India, which we are seeing now, why the number of counselors are mushrooming. So this is only because a child's mental and emotional ability is checked properly, so that in future they can shape up the child according to their capabilities and capacities. So now what a consultant does, I have told you certain points, 2, 3 or 4 points I have discussed with you, how it works with a career counselor. Now coming back to career consultants, so generally we have lot of consultancies in India, wherein we see that they are tied up with colleges. We have many online platforms where there are education service providers, where they are tied up with lot of colleges in India and abroad, and they keep on suggesting students. So this is what exactly a consultant is. If you are looking only options for colleges, only options where your child needs to study, then you are going to a consultant. If you need the overall counseling of your child, that is the mental, that is the emotional and the academics, then you have to visit a counselor, not a consultant. So what does a consultant do? They have their farm, they have their consultancy agencies, or they have their digital media platforms where they showcase in which colleges they are giving the facilities of admission and what is the admission procedure, and they used to charge amount of money from you for getting your child admission in that particular college or in that particular university. So this is limited where a consultant work. This is the area where the consultant work. This is only limited to this thing, admissions of colleges or in any other course or in any other place, wherein they will see what is your flexibility, how much you can afford, and in what aspect your child is good at. So guys, here we have discussed all these points where this is very clear that career counselor is one who clears your mind and shows you direction, where they used to evaluate you in terms of your career, your life, your problems you had back in your life, and then they show you a path. And the consultant are those who give you the suggestion of the colleges or the course which you can opt in any other college or any other university in India or in abroad. And the counselor helps you find and explore your other side or other qualities which you haven't seen so far through various kind of tests, as I have said you, like psychometric test, assessment test, and this can't be given by a consultant. So the person who occupies the position of a educational consultant needs to be in touch of educational institutions. You need to understand that. Like I have said, tied up with colleges. And the person who is a career counselor, they are attached with a child and his attributes and his overall personality. So this very concept of counseling, struggle to gain recognition from many of people in India, and for which I myself as a counselor believe that one should really understand the difference so that they can go in right place according to their choices. So friends, this video was all about career counseling or a career coach and the difference of career counseling and career coach with a career consultant. Keep watching my videos. I shall come up with a new topic. Thank you.